jump scare this morning. Literal jump scare. I was trying to clean out this wagon. Oh, are you going to get out? Hold on. Hold on. Okay, just wait. Just wait. Let me get you over to the garden bed. Oh, these frogs. I know it's good to have frogs in my garden, but my goodness, they scare me when all of a sudden I brush up against something that's kind of soft and slimy and cold. And it freaks me out every time. Okay, go. Go. Go where Monty's gonna bug you. Go. Yeah, there you go. All right, good morning, everyone. Janie here. Welcome back to my garden that is filled with frogs. As you can see, the contractor is back here today. We finally got the pointing mix or the grout for the big fountain in, and he's here finishing it, basically finishing the fountain, which is very exciting because then that means I can plant this Summer Serenade lavender around it, which I want to get out of my plant stash. I mean, it's doing fine. We're doing good watering it, but I can just tell that it wants to be planted. This smells so good. So good. I have other things that I want to get out of my plant stash. I have this candy floss grass. That I want to plant back here. So I don't know where he's working. So I don't know if I'm going to get that done today. But I also have more of this penstemon. I have bejeweled Pink Pearls Penstemon that I just absolutely love. And I have a bunch of it up in my orchard garden. Monty did dig in some of it. When was that? Last year? He was trying to get a lizard and he decimated like 5 or 6 of them. So I have more that I can replace in that area. And I think that that's what I want to do today. And at least then I can get these out of the plant stash area. And then maybe I'll just like clean up that area. What I mean by clean up is like fine tuning, like deadheading, weeding, pruning things back that needs to be cutting back, just kind of fine tuning stuff, which is kind of what I think June is all about in the garden, at least in California. I know for a lot of you who are in cooler areas, June is still planting. We're still planting, but it's kind of winding down a little bit. Now it's kind of like maintenance, taking care of the little things, fine tuning. And honestly, that is one of my favorite things to do in the garden because that's when your garden really starts to shine. I don't know how it happens, but my metal workshop, my garden storage area, it just becomes a mess over time. I just do not clean it up after I am done with things. I think I'm just so tired by the end of the day that I just start throwing things in here. This was all clean not too long ago, maybe like a month ago, and then it just I don't even know how it happens. It's embarrassing, and I'm purposely embarrassing myself right now to shame myself into cleaning this up. I don't want to do this today, but it is something that I definitely need to do. I did get some new gloves. I love these gloves. I got five pairs of these gloves for this year. Okay, so for today, I have my penstemon that I'm going to plant. I have my auger. I have my pruners. I have some starter fertilizer to plant. I also grabbed some citrus fertilizer to fertilize that lemon tree that I just pruned right up there in the orchard garden. I have my gloves, and then I have some bird seed to refill the bird feeders. I love this wagon, and I have one size that's a little bit bigger, but it's being used right now, or not being used. It's full, and I haven't cleaned it out yet. But I really want something a little bit bigger. It's almost like I need a big like pallet cart or something like that. I think I'm using the wrong word. But I just need something bigger because I would bring more stuff if I could fit more stuff on here. Let me know in the comment section if you guys have any ideas. But basically, I just need something a little bit bigger than this. Probably like double the size, I would say. But first, treat time for the chickens. Good morning, girls. Ready for a treat? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How is everybody? Good morning. I just did a quick Google search of some big garden carts, and this one popped up, this double-decker one, and it's not even a garden cart, it's a restaurant cart or something like that. But would it be weird if I got that and was using that in my garden? It looks perfect. Double-decker. Oh my gosh. It looks so good. But would I be weird? I don't know. I gotta think about it. Okay, let me show you all the area that I'm working on today. It is this garden bed right here, just to the left of my Eden climbing rose arch over here. It looks good. It definitely looks overgrown. It needs to be addressed, and I just kind of want to zhuzh it up a little bit. I think that's the right way to say it. I do have to cut back my iceberg roses a little bit, deadhead them, clean and refill the bird fountain, clean and refill the bird feeders. I'm so torn on this sweet alyssum right here because it looks so beautiful during the fall and winter and early spring, and it just looks so bad during the summer. It comes back. This is like the third year it's been here, second year it's been here. It comes back, and so if I left it, it would come back in the fall and look really beautiful. But the problem is it looks so bad when it's hot. And so I've been going back and forth on whether or not I should pull it out. I think I've decided I'm going to pull it out because if you guys look close, there's a bunch of weeds. There's a bunch of Bermuda grass growing in it. So I think if I pull it out, I can pull out all that Bermuda grass, get that taken care of, leave it, and make sure I take care of the Bermuda grass all season, and then I can replant it this fall and treat them actually like annuals, which is how Proven Winners markets them. But I always try and stretch it as much as I can. Let's see, I need to cut back my Cat's Pajamas Nepeta. My Banana Cream 2 Shasta Daisies are looking beautiful. I need to deadhead those just a little bit. And then over here, behind this Baptisia right here that surprised me and is growing really well, behind that is where I have my Pink Pearls Penstemons right now. And I cut them back. They are, I see a couple bloom stalks for their second flush. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there. But I used to have, I think, 10 in this area, and Monty was going after a lizard and just ripped all of them out. And it was kind of in this area right here, and it looked so pretty. So I think I'm going to replant some of them like here and kind of coming up here just to kind of replace them a little bit. So I will take care of that. Miss Molly's looking absolutely beautiful. Nyphophia needs to be deadhead a little bit. You can see just kind of like fine tuning stuff. Just easy gardening, the fun type of stuff basically. Oh, look, there's one leftover Pink Pearls Penstemon that Monty happened to leave that was over here, and it's in full bloom. Oh, that's gorgeous. Yeah, so I'll just kind of plant more over this way. I was just taking a second to throw the ball for Monty, and he missed it, and it's on the other side of the gate. And I was walking out here to get it, but I just had to show off my Pugster Amethyst Buddleia. Look at it, how beautiful this plant is. I just cannot get over how gorgeous this plant is. It is so, so beautiful, you guys. Pugster Amethyst. Gorgeous. Okay, let's get your ball. Fetch. Oh, that was a bad throw. My bad. I can't get over it. It's just so pretty. Oh, I just love this one. And let me just show you all. I'm so distracted today. This is Pugster Amethyst too. And you can see it's in the shade of this Podocarpus and this Magnolia. And it is definitely not doing as good. So it needs full sun for sure. Okay, so I took out all the lobularia. It looks much neater. It's hard to take things out like that, but I think it definitely needed it, and I can always replace it later this fall if I want to. So now I have a little bit of space right here. I don't know what I'm going to put there. Plant shopping? Plant shopping. So that looks good, and I got all the weeds out of that area, and I know it probably looked like there was a ton of weeds, and it is a ton of weeds, but trust me when I say it's gotten so much better. And that's Jason and my plan for dealing with weeds is we're just going to stay on top of it, and we're going to keep pulling it and keep pulling it, and hopefully eventually it will weaken over time. I think this property, we're just always going to have weeds. We're surrounded by fields of unlandscaped area, so all the weed seeds are constantly blowing into our garden. So it's just something that we're always going to kind of deal with, and coming over from the neighbors and all that kind of stuff. So I'm just trying not to get upset about it and just like understand it's just part of my garden. So then I did cut back some of this nepeta here. That looks really good. I do need some more mulch. And then planted the Pink Pearls Penstemon in this area, which I think will be very, very pretty. I did find a wasp nest underneath this bird feeder. So I'm not totally sure what I'm going to do with that. I think I'm just going to grab it and throw it somewhere just to not deal with the wasp nest. I just don't want to deal with it. We need suspenseful music. Ready? Here it is. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a small one, so that's why I'm not too worried about it. Put it right there. Oh. Okay, so I got the bird feeders filled. I got the bird bath filled. My little solar thing is not working anymore. I don't know what's wrong with it. I cleaned it out and everything. I think it's just jammed up. So I think I'm going to order a new one of those. This is actually a fountain, a working fountain, but I don't have any power over here, and I don't really want like a power cord laying in the middle of the walkway yet. So for now, I'm just using this little solar fountain just to get a little movement for the birds. Not working amazing, but it's fine. It's fine for now. I did want to show you all. Did they leave? Oh, there was some wasps like gathering on this little shepherd's hook looking for their nest. So sorry, not sorry. Go find another place. Go find another place to be. And then I did cut back a lot of the iceberg roses. I'm kicking myself right now because I deadheaded these two. There's 3 iceberg rose shrubs, and I deadheaded these 2 and I cut them back. And then I didn't get to that one. And I kept saying, oh, I'll get to it, but I didn't. And so now I want to leave these because they're about to flush out like crazy and be absolutely beautiful. And this one's all cut back. And so now they're not on the same schedule. So Totally my fault. So overall, I think that was a pretty good morning of working in the garden. I got a lot of stuff cut back. I got a lot of stuff pulled out. I got some stuff clean. I still have some more stuff to do, but I wasn't aiming for 100%, especially because obviously there's other stuff going on here right now. But I think it looks pretty good. I really like this fine tuning type of work in the garden. Once it hits June, once it hits July, you can kind of see the areas that need a little bit of work in your garden and just like more and more fine tune it. There's the wasp. There's the wasp. Looking for its nest. Sorry. But go away. We don't want you here. I realized I didn't show you all this garden bed on this side. It's just looking so beautiful. I absolutely love it. I love the Miss Molly. I love my broken pot right there. I love my lavender twist redbud. Oh, everything just looks so good. And then if you come over here, you can see the 2 new pink penstemon that'll grow in. The Kniphofia, hot and cold Kniphofia just looks so good right there. And really the only empty spot, well, other than where the lobularia was, where I just took it out, the only empty spot is this space right here. And I haven't quite decided what I'm going to do with it. I had thought possibly I was going to put that Gothic planter from Haddonstone right there, but that probably was too much with the bird fountain. And then the Georgian bird bath right there. Those probably too many structures right there. So I'll just have to put something else there, like some ground cover, something low, I would say. But overall, I love this garden bed. It's one of my absolute favorite garden beds. All right, you guys, so that is going to be it. I'm going to take a break, go get some water, go reapply sunscreen, get a little snack, maybe do some more stuff today. It's definitely warm today, but it's like there's like a nice breeze. It's a good gardening day. And once the contractors are done in the backyard with the fountain, I am anxious to plant those lavender around it. So maybe I can get that done today. I don't know. But anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed this, and I hope you all have a chance to get in your garden today.